this is a customer van, and when Cameron's doing, what are we doing? So we're using our heat gun.
Yeah, so once you've got the interior lining removed, you're going to remove these little rubber
They're
things.
all over the place.
Yeah.
8. Oh yeah, 8. 8.
Okay, once you got it heated up,
Mhm.
once you have it all heated up, you can kind of wiggle it around. It'll break the base. You can just push it right out.
Oh, okay.
That's it. So after heating up those plugs, this is basically what comes out. Glue gets all soft and just pops right out like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Is this plastic?
It's plastic.
Oh, this is like a little plastic
Little
thing.
plastic thing.
So this one has the headliner all torn out already. You need to remove those to get access to unplug the little plugs. And here's our roof rails. So as you can see, it has these letters marking on them. A, B, C, D. That's D. It's gonna be C and B. And then
Do you have the swivel seats on your guys' front?
A, so the A obviously goes towards the front.
Yeah. Yeah.
B meets C, and then D's all the way to the back. So you're gonna have one strip that goes one side, and then the other strip goes on the other side of the roof. So we're just putting the M6 screws inside of each one of these holes on the track itself. These holes are threaded, therefore this is going to be truly a one-man job, right? So you can, somebody doesn't have to hold it on the top. You can just put this in and tighten it on the bottom inside the van.
Now on our A's and our D's, we're going to be adding, because those are the ends. This is the beginning, the A is the beginning, so that guy gets one.
Oh, nice.
And then,
These are the plastic end caps?
yeah, little plastic end caps to allow your nuts to slide through there. And then D's right there. So now that we have the screws on the bottom, the caps on the end, you can place them. And the
Again,
holes
the A is
goes
the
through
front. Okay, and then the B meets the C.
A meets C, and D is in the back.
Okay.
Dropped in place. There you go.
Okay. So that's all you have to do on the top portion, right? And then you have to...
You want to make sure
Okay.
these guys
Yeah.
right here line up pretty evenly. And when you tighten
By
these
the joint.
down, they'll suck themselves down and tighten themselves. Okay, so we got to start by... Now that we've got the rail on this roof, we're going to be putting in these
The foam kit?
foamies. They're going to seal the bottom of the hole. We've got foam on the top that's going to take care of 90% of it. But if you've got a little bit of anything coming through, it should stop here. Now we're going to put the fender washer on top of that. And then we'll put a nut on top of that to hold it in place.
Okay.
Yep, and
Oh,
Done.
nice. Compress the foam a little bit. Nice.
yep, that's it. That's it. You're good. You're good.
Okay.
Okay. We'll go to...
Yeah. Next one, you can just turn it like twice or 3 times. That's it. That's perfect. You're good. No more turning. You're good. Hold it.
Okay, so we're doing all 8 of them?
Yep. Next one.